So, hello everybody, my name is Sampriti Das and I am from the Golden Key Coding channel. So, in this video, I'm going to give you an introduction of the platform that we are going to use for making the apps that I'm going to show you in the next 4 or 5 videos, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the one app that we are going to discuss right now. And one more thing, I will go live every day at 1:30, means that means at 1:30. So let me just, I will start by I will share my screen, and yep, I guess you are able to see it, and I'll just close this thing. So the platform we are going to use is code.org. So you can come over here. You have to write code.org. I will give the link in the description. You can use it from there, and then see, it's already done. And if you want to, you see over here you can sign in. I have already signed in. I will sign out. I will again sign in, and you have to, if you are already have an account, you can sign in, and if you don't have, then you can create an account. I will just sign in as I have an account, and yeah, so here's where I've got, and today we are going to talk about one project that I have made. That's the book recommendations app. So this link I'm going to tell you, but for right now I'm just going to show about it. I will go to the non-edited program. It's not a program, I'm just 1 minute. I have copied. Yep, so we are here. Yeah, so I guess you are able to see my marker. So over here, you see this screen that I have made over here. This is my starting screen, as you can see. So over here I have given the text, and I will be telling how to make this one in the next classes, in the next video. So first I have given the starting, and then you can give an image over here as well, and then a button. So when you click on this button, start, one mouse, start. So I will just erase this lines. Okay. Yeah. I guess it's all clean now. Oh, 1 minute. I'm just checking it all out. Oh, 1 minute. I guess, so over here, as you can see, 1 minute, annotated format thing. As you can see that over here, I've given now choose your age type. This is the thing that it will be shown, and this is an image so that you know where you have to choose. So I've given 3 types over here. The first is the young, like kids, and middle age, like adults, and old, like your grandparents or anybody who is old. Now, if I choose like young age, 1 minute, young age, and I will clear all drawings, and then format. Aha. Format. So as you can see, and for this, the topic I've also given here, girls and boys, here are some book recommendations for you. So that means like it's for means like children's, and And this is the back button. If you want to go back to the screen that we were, you can go here. The first is Matilda. I guess everybody know about the book. And then the Charlotte is well. And then the Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. So these 3 book recommendations have been given. And if you want some like more, I will try to add it in my next videos. So I will go back and 1 minute. Clear all drawings and format. So you see we have done with the young one. And now we go to the middle age icon. And you see over here. Can see over here this is for the adults. And this are for like Pride and Prejudice, Jane Eyre, and The Beloved. So these are the ones that are chosen for the adults and best for them. So clear all the drawings. Back. Now for the middle age. 1 minute. Yep, I'm just coming back. Yeah. So I'm so sorry I have stopped the share. Yeah. Now, so this one we have done with the middle age and the young. So we will go with the old. So I will go to the old screen. And as you can see over here, yeah. So these are for the book recommendation for the olds. This is the back button over here. The photo of the books and the name of the books. Like the other 2 screens, this is the same one. So these are the ones. So these are the ones that has been chosen. So for now, I will go back to the screen. I will just clear all the drawings and then go back. So as you can see, I will just 1 minute. So this is the one that we are going to discuss in the upcoming days. And if you know that, then this is the one. So this is the one that has been I have been showing you. So we will be doing this in the upcoming videos. First, I will show you all the apps that I have made, and then we will start the making. Thank you. And don't be okay. Then be tuned for our next video on Sunday at 1:30 p.m. Thank you.